Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today we're diving into a beginner's workout guide that you can conquer right in the comfort of your own home. Trust me, this one's going to be a game changer. First tip on our journey to building strength push-ups and squats. We're talking 100 push-ups, 100 squats. Yes, you heard me right. It's about pushing your limits, breaking barriers, and unlocking that inner strength you never knew you had. And remember, it's okay to start slow. The progress is what counts. Now let's talk about fueling that powerhouse of yours. Tip number 2, indulge in a power-packed smoothie. Picture this: oats, peanut butter, banana, nuts, and a splash of milk. It's not just a drink, it's a concoction of energy. And here's the secret: blending that banana instead of munching on it increases the calorie intake, giving you that extra boost for your workout. Now on to tip number 3, consistency is key. It's not about the intensity of a single workout. It's about the dedication to making it a part of your routine. Set achievable goals, celebrate those small victories, and watch the magic unfold over time. And speaking of routine, tip number 4, aim for at least 5 to 6 workouts per week. Make it a date with yourself. Whether it's a quick morning session or a post-work stress buster, let those endorphins flow and let the results speak for themselves. There you have it, our passionate guide to kickstarting your fitness journey at home. Smash that like button, hit subscribe.